Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to crochet this large handbag. The material I use are polyester yarns, 2mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, pastry needles, and other essential things that I need for making this one. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you're ready, let's get started. To begin, make a slip knot. Then, make 74 foundation chains plus 1 turning out. So, the total amount of the foundation chains are 75. Turn the work to start the bottom part of this bag. Make the first single crochet in the second chain from the hook. This is the first row of the single crochet. Make one single crochet in each of the chain stitches to complete this first row. This one is the last chains from the hook of the first chain after the slip knots. Make one last single crochet in this stitch, then make chain 1. Turn the work, then make first single crochet in the first stitch, and make one single crochet in each of the next stitches to complete this second row. For this project, I'll be making 29 row of single crochet to have 30 side stitches. Now the bottom part of this large handbag is all ready, and this is what it looks like. Don't forget to put a stitch marker on the last single crochet to mark the beginning point. Then I will show you 4 corner stitch that needs to be filled with 2 single crochet. This is the first one. This is the second one. This is the third one. And the last single crochet is the fourth corner stitch. Now make one single crochet in each of the side stitches. This is the first corner stitch. Make 2 single crochet in it. Then make one single crochet in each of the next stitches. This one is the second corner stitch. Make 2 single crochet in it. Then make one single crochet in each of the next side stitches. This one is the third corner stitch. Make 2 single crochet in it. Just like before, make one single crochet in each of the next stitches. This is the fourth corner stitch. Take off the stitch marker, then make 2 single crochet in it. It's like before, I put a stitch mark on the last single crochet to mark the beginning point. After that, I will make one more round of single crochet, but this one is not a normal single crochet but a back loop single crochet, so I will make one back loop single crochet in each of the stitches to complete this last round. I mean this last round is the last round of single crochet before I'm gonna make the main pattern. Now take off the stitch marker to make the last back loop single crochet. This is the last back loop single crochet. After making this last one, I'm gonna make the main pattern of this large handbag. The main pattern of this large handbag is made of single crochet and a combination of single and half double crochet. The single crochet is made in the upper stitch, meanwhile the combination of a single and half double crochet is made in the lower stitch. This one is the single crochet. I made it in the upper stitch. Then I'll make a combination of single and half double crochet in the next lower stitch. This one is the combination of a single and half double crochet. Yarn over, pull it through, leave 2 loops in the hook and complete the pattern. Okay, it's done. Then make one single crochet in the next upper stitch. This one is the normal single crochet. Then move to the lower stitch or the next lower stitch to make a combination of a single and half double crochet. This one is the combination of a single and half double crochet. Yarn over, then complete the pattern. Back to the normal single crochet in the next upper stitch, followed by a combination of a single and half double crochet in the next lower stitch. Repeat these actions, make a single crochet and a combination of a single and half double crochet alternately. I'm at the beginning point now. As the main pattern of this large handbag is the multiple of 2, I found there are 2 stitches left. So to make the main pattern spirally, I will skip the first stitch and I will make a normal single crochet in the next stitch. It doesn't affect anything. Then I will make a combination of a single and half double crochet in the next lower stitch. Actually, this one is the second round of the main pattern. Where you are here, you'll find that the positions of the normal single crochets on the top of the combinations of the single and half double crochet you made previously. Meanwhile, the positions of the combination of a single and half double crochet is in a stitch between the combinations of a single and half double crochet you made previously. Now back to a single crochet, then make a combination of a single and half double crochet. Repeat this pattern over and over again until you get the height you desire. I've got a height I desire. This one is the last combination of a single and half double crochet for this large handbag. I will end the main pattern with a normal single crochet. For a gorgeous final touch, I will make one single crochet in each of the stitches. to make it look more perfectly, I will make this single crochet as much as 5 rounds. This one is the last single crochet and the last stitch for this large handbag. Finally, hide these yarn tails at the body of this bag using whichever method you prefer. For this project, I hide it using the tapestry needle. It's ready. This is a glimpse of it. I also have made 2 handles for this bag. These handles are made of reversible single crochet. Sew on the handles on the bag using whichever method you prefer. For this project, I use slip stitch. I have also made decorative embellishment for this bag using chainless foundations of single crochet and 6 wooden beads. This is what it looked like. Finally, this beautiful large handbag is ready, and you can use it both in casual or formal events. And I hope you like this pattern. Well everyone, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have something to say about it, feel free to leave your comment below. See you in the next video. Have a good day and happy crochet!